Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. Today we're going to be talking about tradition and traditionalists and what it is they do to make our life here in San Miguel de Allende more interesting. As always, if you need more information, there's links in the descriptive box below, including one to Amazon.com that'll lead you to all the books, the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. A traditionalist is one interested in preserving, through participation, the cultural traditions of an area, and San Miguel de Allende is full of them, both traditions and traditionalists. The centuries-old traditions in San Miguel de Allende are a major component in our thriving tourism industry and a huge part of the fun of living here. I know, this is when you picture doddering old men, fussy spinsters with cats, and clueless clergy trying not to change with the times, but you are way off the mark. For example, take Joaquin Sierra. In his early 20s, Joaquin is my go-to source for what is going on this weekend in the city and why. A former oratorio, Joaquin volunteer teaches children both the songs sung here during Holy Week for 500 years and how to make the stars used in the ever-popular processions honoring Mary. Joaquin's favorite celebrations are St. Michael's Day, or for St. Michael's Day, adoring the traditions of St. Michael's feast day so much he, like most traditionalists, have written a book explaining the celebrations. Another modern traditionalist is Eva Luz Turbantes, and I'm sorry if I butchered the pronunciation there. She's a teacher extraordinaire and author of her hometown's traditions nearby Salamanca. I adore having Eva's students on tour as they are a rare mix, being both courteous and fun-loving. Eva and her partner in traditional crimes, her mom, pictured here, organize the International Storytelling Festival each year in Parque Juarez. It's an honor to be included. Plus, Eva is my go-to source for obscure questions, and she always knows the answer. No small feat in this town. Some folks are traditionalists for a specific event. For example, one pal continues her mother's tradition of honoring Mary as a baby on the 8th of each month by getting folks together to pray. Then on September 8th, Mary's actual birthday, she'll pay for and organize a big procession for baby Mary, laden with marching bands, police escorts, and dozens of baby Mary carrying folks in their baby's finest clothes. They'll arrive on Plaza Civica and holding a mass to celebrate Mary's birthday with food, flair, and the power of the feminine. Some erroneous assume all clergy are traditionalists. Some are. For example, Father Jacob Arnez, in this book there to the right, documented many of the town's traditions in his book. But many clergy aren't, making keeping the older traditions alive a bit cumbersome since most are faith-based events. From a priest's perspective, more money can be made from hosting a destination wedding than saying a mass for a no longer very popular saint or virgin. Having long been fascinated by our town's traditions, I am thrilled to participate in any event going on that day. However, you don't need to be a performer to be part of the centuries-old tradition. Often, I'll simply pick a spot in the procession route where a low-hanging branch or a difficult curb presents a problem. Float drivers and riders appreciate the heads-up when the truck is about to go canterwalk. During other processions, I'll simply walk alongside the float filled with toddlers to ensure no one makes the leap to freedom and toddles away into the crowd. It's really hugely unnecessary, as Mexican children follow the command sit and stay better than my dog, but they do seem to appreciate my company. Other days you can be the person helping the ladies hoist bottled waters to keep the dancers hydrated. My point is, you don't need to be a performer to perform a worthwhile task in keeping the traditions alive while having fun.